Hello friends. In this video we will see how to share Drive files and folders via shareable link. Now, you don't need to send or share files individually to anyone. You can organize your files into one folder, then can share that folder via link with one click. So let's get started. I am Jack from Educational Alliance. Now open your browser that you want for open Google Drive.
This is the browser where we will do it all step by step. Make sure to follow this tutorial to learn quickly. You see the profile icon at the top right side, which first goes over there by clicking on it. As you see, I am already signed in with the browser. If you did not do that, click on it and sign in with your Gmail account. After signing in, click here and enter drive.google.com. And you will be landing at this page. Now click on this first link, and you will be redirected at the Google Drive web page. Now click on Go to Drive button at the top side of the web page. And a new tab will be opened and your Google Drive will be displayed here. On this Google Drive, we will do all. Click on My Drive here and a drop-down menu will be opened. Go to the Upload folder for upload into Google Drive. Okay, as you see, the folder is opened accordingly. I am going to select this folder to upload. So click on this folder and press the Upload button here. Once you clicked on Upload, new dialog box will be appeared here and show that there are 6 files in this folder that you want to upload. So click on Upload here. As you see, these items are going to upload. It will take a few minutes, so hold tight. Okay, it's done. As you see, the desired folder is now uploaded to Google Drive. So just click on it to open and check all stuff is available in this folder. Yes, this folder has all 6 files.
Now click on My Drive again. And then right-click from your mouse at that folder and the drop-down menu will be opened. So click on Share to share this folder. As you see, new dialog box appears over here. You can add people or any group here to whom you want to share this folder by clicking Done. But we are not doing like this now. We need to create a link to this folder, as we can share the folder via a shareable link. So, to create a link, click on Copy Link here and the link has been copied successfully. Now, click at the plus sign of the address bar to open a new tab to open email. Then, go to the right side of the page, and you see the dots icon. Just click on it. And then click on this Gmail icon. As you see, now your email is opened. Click on Compose button here. And a mini window will be opened, and from here we can share copied links to anyone. Enter the email address here to whom you want to share this folder. I am entering my email here. Then enter the subject in this field. Now press right-click from your mouse and click Paste. As you see, that copied link is pasted here. This copied link is too lengthy and not presented in a great way. So, we will edit the link as per our choice. For that, I am giving name as Sharing Office Files. Now, just select this name by dragging from your mouse, and then click below to insert the link over there. A new dialog box will have appeared here. Click on it and paste the copied link here. And press OK. It's done. Now the lengthy shareable link is renamed in the way that you want. Now remove this lengthy link from here. You can write anything that you like and click OK. Here, new dialog box appeared to ask for access to view this file. By default, it is ticked marked to anyone. I am not make any change for now. You can go through it or can change it accordingly and press send. As you see, email has been sent successfully with a shareable link. That's it, guys. As you see how it's easy to share any folder via a shareable link. Thanks for watching this video.